today's episode. How are you doing, Thomas? And welcome. So today I'm just pottering about. I'm going home to Ulfs later on. We're going to watch The Crown and he's going to make me pasta pepe aioli, I think. Hopefully. I think that's it. And what I am doing is using strings, trying to make one of those plant hangers. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, but that's what I'm doing. Okay, people, I made this. I know it's not perfect, but I tried to figure out some way to do it. So I'm quite proud of it. I don't know why these are... Oh yes, I know what to do next time, because we'll be making more. But it looks kind of good, doesn't it? So people, it's almost 4 o'clock. Time to get on that bike and go and have some olio e pepe pasta at Ulfs and watch some queens acting queenly. Hope your Saturday is as fantastic as my Saturday is fantastic as yours is. Ja, god dag. Hello? Hey? The door didn't close. No, wait. Last weekend, the Eurovision Song Contest was sort of, yes. So there won't be anything like that tonight. No, just The Crown. Hopefully. Oh. Buongiorno. Is fixing his extensive garden. Plants are drooping, but he's getting a wire and he's going to fix it. I can fix it, says Ulf. Yes, he says.
Bob the Builder.
He's a bodybuilder?
Bob the...
Hobby builder.
Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder, yes.
Can you fix it? Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. So let's see. No, this was not a good angle. This is almost documentary-like. You can do it.
I know.
More after the break. Come back. Ulf is still tying stuff to stuff. On television, two gay guys are building, redecorating or doing something, and no, they're not brothers.
Over the top of the fire as a mirror.
Ulf is trying to get his phone to work as a remote control for the television, because this we do not want to see, but right now we can't really do anything. Ulf is now turning. Oh, he's switching manually.
Yeah. I have to walk all the way to the TV.
Oh my God! It's Angela Lansbury. Great, because I don't want to see that. Change the channels. Imagine the rudeness. Ulf is now making a new attempt with another phone, apparently. Were you on the wrong phone?
Mm-hmm.
No.
I hit him in self-defense, and I got out as fast as I could.
Ulf, suddenly it works again. Fantastic. I don't want to see this at all. Change channel.
Första 3
No.
kilo.
No, no. No. No.
Det är ju oförklarligt som en panna.
No. Oh, what a bore. Beautiful creatures. No, no, no. Ulf is cooking. What is he cooking? Tomatoes and olive oil and peppers. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes.
Do you consider yourself a great chef or a fantastic chef?
Both, actually.
Okay. Do you feel that you can't make a decision?
I don't know.
Now, while I'm waiting for food, I'm going to show some of Ulf's interiors.
It's messy.
It's messy, he says.
About $20 square foot. Then we have the glass mosaic, 18 square foot. How much are the counters? 1,400 a piece, but it's all full top. We have the floor tile, it's $4 per square foot. So that's about 3,500 for bathrooms and interior.
That's more than we budgeted for, but I hold it.
Food is ready.
Doesn't look much,
But it is.
it is.
Good. And now, ladies and gentlemen, having eaten so that we are quite full, right? We are now going to see 54 episodes of The Crown. Yes, people, 54. Action, we sort of found a show called Marriage or
Morgage.
Mortgage. Two lesbian women building stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, what? We are not quite sure of the setup of this series, but we think that either they're going to get married or buy a house. They can't do both. But they sort of have to choose. Brought pineapple as a dessert and then he dropped it on the floor. So now he's going to go down on his knees. Cinderella! Sing something Cinderella-ish.
No.
Such a drama queen. Can you see that? So there's some, you almost stepped in it. Now you stepped in it. You see it? It's pineapple on the floor. They decided to get married instead of buying a house. I don't get it. He said, fuck marriage and mortgage, and now we're going to watch The Crown. La Corona. Dun 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 dun. Remember the problem with the remote? Yes.
Why did you hate us so very much?
So, what is happening?
We're going to have a little grappa.
Una poco de grappa.
Un digestivo.
Por la digestivo, say. Now Netflix asked us if we still watch The Crown, and we said yes.
Well,
But of course we need to get the remote to work. Yes. One is... Oh, no. Never mind. Kennedy just got shot. This is a damn good show. So it seems to me every time I say goodbye, you down on your knees. This I like.
hallelujah.
Yes, please. Say goodbye. See you tomorrow when you are coming to dinner at my place. I am now trying to speak like Queen Elizabeth. Yes, hemma. How is it? How lovely. And how are you, Ulf? Oh, you don't look it. Not a bit. No. Would I lie? Well, yes, as a matter of fact, I would. So, here's the elevator. See you. thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and tell all your friends and family and lovers how fantastic I am, and tell them to watch me as well.